5 rebounds. Wiggins finds some room, sting up White. Nice turnaround jumper. Wiggins pushes, goes right at Tatum. Eurostep layup is good.
So I don't know about you guys, but when I first tune into an NBA game, I look at what shoes the players are wearing. I don't know, maybe I'm just weird like that. Hi there, hope you're having a good day and welcome back to another video. This video is different from my other ones because in this one I just want to talk about what shoes the NBA players are wearing on the court. And the NBA Finals is on right now. Specifically, I noticed that Andrew Wiggins, as an athlete signed by Peak, has switched over to wearing Nike Kobe's in the playoffs. And I don't know if you noticed from those clips at the beginning, he taped up the Nike swoosh on those Kobe's that he was wearing because he is still under contract with Peak. Wiggins has been their leading athlete as of now. The Peak attitude, or in Chinese, people just refer to it as the Peak triangle. It's technically not a signature shoe for him, but people regard that shoe as the Peak Andrew Wiggins shoe. So why does Wiggins not wear his Peak shoes, but instead play in the Nike Kobe's? I'm guessing your first reaction is probably also that the shoes simply don't perform up to the standard, so he had to switch them out in these big games, right? But as I saw in an article on sportingnews.com, there is a speculation that Wiggins' feet grew a size over the summer. So this is sort of like a transition period as Peak prepares his new shoes for him. I don't know, I'm the exact same age as Wiggins and my feet stopped growing probably 10 years ago. I mean, it is possible, but very unlikely in my opinion. However, we have seen rendered images of his first signature shoe with Peak. Kind of looks like a pair of Li-Ning with Wade, like this one right here, but in that color theme. I really wouldn't be surprised if he does get that signature shoe. I mean, I've been watching Peak since pretty much day one. They made signature shoes for not only star players like Tony Parker and Dwight Howard, but also players like Matthew Dellavedova, George Hill, and Shane Battier. Also, I have to say that they have delivered some great products, excellent performers. One of them is the Lou Williams Lightning, the first shoe they did with them, not the underground shoes that came later. This shoe right here is one of my favorite shoes to play in of all time. Extremely low to the ground. The cushioning is amazing, super soft and fluid court feel. Also has some nice impact protection to it. And this shoe right here, if you know what this is, I respect you because this is my favorite basketball player of all time. And yes, Kobe was a close second. Anyways, I may have gone a little off topic there, but when it comes to Peak basketball shoes, they really do make some fantastic products. So I'm really curious to see what they come up with for Andrew Wiggins going forward. I just think that it's interesting that he taped up the Nike logo just like players in the CBA would do, because the Chinese league has no partnership with Nike, and in a sense they are banning Nike products. Also, a lot of players today, when they sign an endorsement deal with a brand, it could just be for their on-court appearances or even for a certain number of games, which I don't think was possible back in the day. Kobe wore his signature shoes even off the court, in events he attended and all that. And players today really sign for the money first. You think James Harden doesn't collect any Jordan retros? I'm really thinking about getting more shoes from brands like Peak, Li-Ning, and Anta again. So please let me know down in the comments if you are interested in seeing videos about them. Also in the finals, we see Klay rocking his KT7s, Kevon Looney also rocking Anta, Draymond Green wearing Converse, Steph in his Curry 4 Flotros, Marcus Smart is with Puma, and just pretty diverse choice of sneakers. And now that Anta has also signed the GOAT for the past season, if they were to do a signature shoe for him called The Show, come on, that'd be an instant sellout. So that's it for this video. Just some talks about NBA kicks really. Hope it wasn't too random. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.